Data blending in Tableau. In this video, we'll be unveiling what is data blending and we'll be showing data blending using an example in Tableau. So, data blending displays secondary data using the primary data in a single video and is used for merging data. So, we have imported a dataset, World Cup squads dataset. Now, the dataset is ready for the visualization. Now, we import the second data using new data source option and we choose the Microsoft Excel option here. And the data is World Cup results. We open the file in Tableau and now the data is being imported in Tableau. We choose World Cup sheet for our visualization and we go to sheet number 1 here. Now, from the first data we choose country as a row and caps measure as a column. Now from the second dataset we choose goals scored measure as a column. So now we can clearly see here that the country dimension is common between the two dataset. Uh, Also, we see a red option here. So this option specifies that that the country column is common in this visualization. So we change the name here. We put the name here as data blending in Tableau. So, uh, all right. Thank you for watching.